Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add an Add to Cart button to your store in Wix. This feature helps customers easily pick products and add them to their shopping cart, making the buying process simple and smooth. Let's get started. First, we open the browser. Once the browser is open, we go to Wix.com. After that, we log into our account. Once we are logged in, we go to the upper left part of the page and click on our websites. If we have more than one website, we choose All Websites. Now we pick the website we want to edit and click it. Then wait for it to load. To add the Add to Cart button, we click where we want to place it. For example, let's add it to a block section. If we want to use this section, we click it. Then, in the upper left, we click Add and select the button. Here, we can choose from different buttons. If we want a button for the store, we just type Store. It will appear. Here we see the Add to Cart button. We click this, and it will be added to our section. Now, we place it wherever we want. We can change the size to make it bigger or smaller, depending on what we need. We can also change the icon. We can add animation, stars, and a link to the button so that after clicking, users can go to another page. That's how we set up the Add to Cart feature in Wix. When this is enabled, our customers can quickly shop and finish their purchase easily.